What is up, guys? Boy, Junior333, man. Like, subscribe, and share links in the description. So I got this new app. I downloaded it. It's called Bitcoin Server, or it's called Server Mining. Right here, the black one, Server Mining, and you buy these things from the shop. It gives you a certain amount of Bitcoin to start off with. So you buy the different TH per second, and it permanently stores them here. So right now I'm at 70 to 74, so it goes up and down by increments of 3 from what I noticed so far. I'll let you know if this app is legit in the future, but you can only withdraw what it's saying is at 0.05, which is a lot of money now, because one Bitcoin right now is like $10,000. So it's definitely gonna take a second, but there's still some ways you can make more money. There's my referral code if you guys want to download this app. So enter the invite code and you get a bonus as well. So let's see if we can enter our own code. It might or it might not work. So mine is FPN. Oh my god. Let's see. RVQJ. FPN RVQJE. Let's see. E right there. Wrong code. So yeah, can't. So yeah, go ahead and put my code in, guys. And yeah, peace out. Check out links in the description. Like, subscribe, and share my videos.